This is the Motion Scope MHS equipped with the infinity photo-optical microscope called the Kc, made here in the United States. So it's a good supplemental retrofit of a high magnification microscope to replace the standard zoom macroscope for relatively low magnification studies. The objective that you see here is a 50x Bausch and Lomb microscope objective with a 0.45 numerical aperture. So these diatoms that are roughly 140 microns in length are occupying a field of view, if you ballpark it, somewhere around 1/4 of a millimeter. So this is a very tight shot, high magnification, and you can see the patterns in the diatoms quite nicely. We've enhanced the contrast of the LED illuminator built into the MHS stand with a green filter. The LED illuminator, transilluminator, is designed for electronic elimination of any flicker of the lamp for high-speed recording. So this is a very important factor when you're doing slow motion studies of microfluidic devices. Again, it's a high magnification option that allows you to very quickly interchange the standard macro zoom with a high magnification option that'll use any infinity corrected microscope objectives. Take a look at our other video where we use the Infinity Kc for epifluorescence microscopy. Give us a call here at Bunton if you have any questions. Thanks for your attention and have a good day.